Hello! Today we are going to talk about learning empathy. Empathy is a part of social awareness of the core competency of social-emotional learning. What is empathy? Empathy is all about understanding and sharing the feelings of others by putting yourself in their shoes. There are 3 types of empathy: cognitive empathy, emotional empathy, and compassionate empathy. Cognitive empathy is like putting a mind-reading hat. It is about understanding someone's feelings in your mind. Your friend breaks his favorite toy, and you think, "Oh, he must be sad." Let's hop over to emotional empathy. It is like catching a feeling. You really feel what someone else is feeling. If your friend is sad about a low subject score, you start to feel a bit sad too. It's like your heart saying, "I know how you feel." And now, compassionate empathy. It is empathy with action. You want to help them to make things better. Your friend is having a tough time with homework. You hop in and say, "Hey, I'm here to help." How do we show empathy? Here are the things we can start doing today. Pay full attention. Ask questions to understand emotions. Share similar experiences. Express the importance of their feelings. Use empathetic phrases. Be aware of their emotions. Offer help if necessary. Know everyone is different. When someone's talking, give them your full attention. Put away those distractions. It's saying to them, "Hey, I care about how you feel." Check in with your friends and ask them how they're feeling. Just ask, "How are you feeling?" It's a simple way to show you care for them. Share your own similar experiences. It is a way of telling them, "You're not alone. I've been there too." It makes the person feel understood and not alone. Let them know you get how they feel and their feelings are important. It makes it easier for them to talk openly with you. Use magic words like "I understand" or "I'm here for you." It shows that you care and are ready to support them. Ask if you can help. Offer support. Offer a helping hand. It shows you're not just listening but ready to assist. People see things differently and have a different view. What may seem small to you can be a big deal to someone else. Why is it important to be empathetic? Because it helps you to make people happy, have good friends, understand others, be kind and caring, solve problems peacefully, and create a happier place. Empathy is our secret weapon for making awesome connections. When we all practice empathy, we make the world a friendlier and more understanding place. If you could be someone else for a day, who would you choose and what do you think their day is like? Have you ever been helped when you needed it? How did it feel? And how can you help others like that? Have you ever disagreed with a friend? How can empathy help you understand their point of view and solve the issue together? Leave your comment below and we can all learn from each other. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channels to watch more learning videos about how social-emotional learning is important for all of us. Goodbye and see you again next time.